Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pasta pesto. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and good quality olive oil. Don't forget your favorite pasta, perhaps spaghetti or fusilli. Make sure you have a food processor or a mortar and pestle on hand to create that vibrant green sauce. We're aiming for a truly fresh and flavorful dish. Now, let's craft that amazing pesto. In your food processor, combine about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves with 2 cloves of garlic. Next, add 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. While blending, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until smooth. Finish by seasoning your vibrant green pesto with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Next up, let's perfect your pasta. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add about 8 ounces of your chosen pasta and cook it according to the package directions. The key is to cook it until it's al dente, meaning firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta cooking water. It's a secret ingredient for a creamy sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. Drain your cooked pasta, but resist the urge to rinse it. Immediately toss the warm pasta with about 4 to 6 tablespoons of your freshly made pesto. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve a wonderfully creamy consistency. Garnish with extra Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.